This is what we talked about during literacy on September 15th, 2020. We started by practicing the vowel chant A, E, I, O, U. I can name the vowels for you. A, E, I, O, U. You can name them too. And then we talked about the days of the week. There is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Bum, bum. And then we talked about what the weather was today, if it was windy, rainy, sunny, snowy. And we figured out that it was windy and sunny, partly cloudy. And then we talked about word length. So the students clapped Sunday and figured out that Sunday is two syllables. And then the students clapped out Saturday and found out that Saturday had three syllables. Then we talked about onset and rhymes. So we gave I asked them to give me the last word of sigh, and we found out that it was I. And then say, we found out that it was a. And then soap, we found out that it was ope. And then net, we found out that it was et. Then we discovered the sound the sound of the letter N and how to write the letter N. So you go from the skyline to the plane, back up again, do an angle down to the plane line, and then back up again. For the lowercase, it's you start below the line, you start down, and then you go all the way up. You touch the road, and then you go all the way down to the plane line. Then we talked about the O and the O sound. And we talked about how to write the letter O, which we start at the skyline for the capital and we go all around. We touch the plane line and we go back up to the skyline. Same thing for the lowercase o, but be below the road. You go up and around. You start at the road, and then you touch the skyline, and then you touch the plane line, and then you go up to the road. And then we talked about the P sound, the P sound. And we discovered what the P looks like, how you draw the P. So you start at the skyline and you draw a line all the way down to the plane line. Then you do a half circle from the skyline all the way to the road. Then for the lowercase p, you start at the road, then you go down past the plane line, then you go all the way up and do a half circle from the road to the plane. And that's how you draw a P. Then we did some diction sound and did a diction test, which we said it was C is the and up. So the students wrote C is the and up, and that's what we did during literacy on September 15th, 2020.